In this video, we're going to be discussing about everything you need to know about ChatGPT versus Google Gemini. So let's get straight into the video. So let's understand what a ChatGPT model is. It is used generally for advanced reasoning. It is powerful productivity. It is also built for creators, professionals, and problem solvers. When it comes to Gemini, it is connected to Google, built for real life, and your AI assistant for productivity and exploration. When it comes to ChatGPT's key highlights, we're going to be looking at GPT 4.0 and 5.0 latest model with powerful reasoning, advanced coding and math capabilities. Also custom GPTs for any task, great for content creation, copywriting and editing. Strong performance with long-term or long context tasks, and also DALL-E for stunning AI images that we can use. So when it comes to Gemini key highlights, there is real-time data from Google Search and YouTube, deep integration with Google Workspace, Gemini 1.5 Pro with massive context window, multimodal text, image, audio, and video. Also great for travel, local info, shopping, and productivity. And finally, Gemini Live for real-time conversations. When to use your ChatGPT? Well, you want to use it when you want to be excellent at reasoning, coding, writing, analysis, and complex problem solving. Text, images, file upload, code interpreter, advanced data analysis, and GPTs. Also deep reasoning like long form content, custom GPTs, advanced coding, and finally your data which is not used for training and also available everywhere via web and app. Then that is about it. Now when it comes to Gemini, it is excellent at real-time info, research summaries, and Google ecosystem tasks. It also is good with text, images, files, real-time web, YouTube, maps, Google Docs, and more integration. You can also have quick answers, real-time reserve, Google Workspace productivity. Also data used to improve services can be turned off. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.